So, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lucy, and we are the Tosterman sisters, and we are back for the final few workouts of the 31-day March challenge. I hope you guys have been loving it as much as we have, and today it is a final HIIT workout. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's get going with move number 1, 45 seconds. I want you to come with your feet out slightly wider than hip width apart, come down into a squat, and we're going to go in and out nice and quick. Let's go. Good. You're staying low the whole time, so we're going to fire up those quads, we're going to fire up those glutes, we're going to get our heart rate up. I've tied my hair in a messy bun, I mean business. Let's go. Nice guys. Out and in, narrow and wide. And of course, if you don't want to jump, just walk in and out. There's always a way to modify. Good. We keep smiling, we keep working, it's HIIT time. Let's go. Nice. I'm feeling the burn. I can feel my calves too. Nice. You've got 3, 2, 1, and rest. 15 seconds rest. Next move, we're coming down to the floor. And what I want you to do is step out to your plank, and you're going to do a shoulder tap, press. Shoulder tap, press. And guys, of course, just drop to your knees if you need to for the shoulder tap, press. Otherwise, you're on your toes with me. Staying strong. Press up on such a power move. Make you feel good. The better you get. You've got to keep practicing though, guys. I know they can be tough, but let's keep going. 45 seconds of this one is a burner. Nice. Keep going, guys. We're pushing all the way to the end. Nice. Last one. And rest. Woo, move number 2 was tough. Okay, come on up, guys. Next move, split your legs. Bring your back knee low, reach your arms up, and we're going to pulse for 22 seconds on one side, and then we're going to switch. Making sure that your back knee is as low as you can get it comfortably. Your core is tight, those arms are reaching up to make this move that little bit harder. Good, guys, keep going. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Quick switch, transition, straight in. We're not messing around. Good. Woo. I wonder what the count is for all the weird accents that me and Rosie end up doing in these videos. Woo. Good, keep going. That's life though for us. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. My legs feel like jelly after that. Okay guys, what you're going to do next is bring your legs out nice and wide, toes tracking out, knees pressing away, come down, and we're going to do some plie or some sumo hops. We're going to come up, and we're going to make sure we sink low. It's not this, okay? No cheating on me. Make sure you're coming nice and low for the full 45. After those lunge pulses, your quads should be burning. In the comments below, put quad burn in capital letters with as many exclamation marks as it burns. Quad burn! Woo! Let's go, guys. We're getting that hop. This is tough, okay? Keep going, sink low, jump high. Nice. Love it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. I put my drama degree to good use then, smiling through that pain. Okay, your final move, you're going to come down to your plank position. Make sure that core is tight, belly button tucking up to spine, and from here we're going to march our legs in and in. Good. So you're getting that booty, you're getting the shoulders, you're getting the core. Nice. 45 seconds. Final move of HIIT. Good. Gaze down at your fingertips or smile at me. Let's push through. Good. Keep going. Final move. 45 seconds. Push. Nice. I can still feel my quads. Quad burn. Keep going. Woo, I'm out of breath. Are you? Go for 3, 2, 1, and oh my goodness, done. I'm done. I'm done in, guys. Are you done in? Remember, comment, quad burn. See you soon.